this video, we are going to learn how to turn on and off any contactor with the help of a sensor. I am going to describe everything in this video. Kindly watch the complete video till the end. Let's start the video. This contactor is made by CNC company and here you can see the model number of this contactor. We have to operate this contactor with the help of a sensor. If you are going to buy a sensor from market, you will get different types of sensors according to its work. For now, we will only talk about sensor operating voltage. So if you see the operating voltage of this contactor, you can see that you require 220 volt AC power supply to operate this contactor. Means this contactor is an AC contactor. If I need to control this contactor with the help of this sensor, the sensor I have also operate on 230 volt AC power supply. There are two type of sensors which works on AC power supply, NC contact sensor and NO contact sensor. I will use the NC contact sensor to stop the contactor and NO contact sensor to start the contactor. So in this sensor you will get two wire for connection, the brown wire and the blue wire. The brown wire will be connected to the rate phase supply, means we are providing the phase supply by the brown wire, and when the sensor generates output command, then the power will be given by the blue wire. Now I will connect the blue wire to the NO contact. The brown wire of the other sensor will also be connected with the blue wire, means both wire will be connected together to the NO contact. The blue wire of the NO sensor will be connected to a terminal box. If you want, you can directly connect it to the A1 terminal, but as the wire is small, I am using a terminal box here. Now one more wire will be connected to the terminal to extend the wire, and the other end of the wire will be connected to the A1 terminal. So till now we have connected the phase supply with the NC sensor. The output of this sensor is connected to this point, and at this point we also have connected one of the wire of the NO sensor, means we have connected both sensors in series. Now the output of this NO sensor is connected to the A1 terminal of the contactor. We only have to provide neutral power supply to this contactor. For this, you have to connect one wire with the black terminal and the other end of this wire to the A2 terminal. After doing this, if any target arrives in front of the NO sensor, our contactor turns on. You can see the contactor turning on and off, means we are not able to hold the contactor. So, if you want to hold the contactor, you will have to do a simple connection. Here, you will have to use a small wire and connect its one end to the NO contact of the contactor and the other end of the wire to the A1 terminal of the contactor. Means when the contactor turns on, we will directly supply power to the A1 terminal through this wire. I am going to connect this lamp to this contactor so that we can know whether our contactor is on or off. You can see that whenever a target arrives in front of the NO sensor, the contactor turns on. Now you can see that this contactor is still in on condition. Now if you want to turn off the contactor, any metal object should be approached in front of the NC sensor. Soon as any target comes in front of NC sensor, our contactor turns off. You can see this contactor turning on and off. I hope you all have learned how to turn off and on a contactor with the help of a sensor. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.